Got 10 answers, 11, and it start increasing. Very good, everyone. You are doing good. Okay. So yeah, it's increasing, and now I'm going to select, and now I'm checking the names which I never said. Okay, so I'm finding the names. Isha, can you please answer me the first question?
55.
Okay, 55. So let's check. Okay. As per the BIDMAS, here you have to do multiplication first, right? So 6 times 4, that is the 24. Okay. And once you get the 24, here you have the 45, you have to add. So your answer, if you add them, column addition, if you do, then 4 plus 5, that is 9, and 4 plus 2, that is 6. So the answer must be 69. Okay. No any other answer. Okay, Isha. So you can check the calculation. 6 times 4, 24. 24 plus 45, that is 69. Okay, Edward, what is the answer for the next question?
Is it 14 minus 14?
Okay, minus 14. So let's check. 48 divided by 2, that is how much? So that is clearly, first we have to solve the bracket. Okay. So I'm writing 14 as it is. Okay. Now I'm writing bracket as it is. Inside the bracket, I have just one operation, so I can perform that. Okay. Clearly 48 divided by 2, that is the half of 48, that is 24. Okay. Now I'm opening this bracket. What is going to happen? 14 minus 24, right? So 14 minus 24, that is clearly how much? Minus 10, right? Very good. So yes, now I'm searching for one more name for the next answer. Okay. Okay, Kai, can you please give me answer of this question?
The answer for C is 20.
Okay, answer for C is 20. So 12 divided by 6, we have to do the first, right? So that is just how much? 2, right? First, we are going to do this one, okay? The division. So you are going to get 2 and plus 18, that is completely true, 20. Moyuk, can you please answer me this question, D?
252.
Okay, so 252. Adavitha, can you please? Okay, sorry, I'm maybe pronouncing not well your name. Adavita. Okay, sorry. What is answer for this question?
255. 52.
Okay, 252. Hani, what is your answer?
My answer, I'm not sure.
Okay,
Sorry.
then why you are not solving? You have to solve, right, Hani? Okay, no problem. Dhruv, what is your answer of this question?
252.
Okay, so most of the answer I am getting 252. So 12 plus 9, that is clearly 21. And now 12 times 21 we have to do. Okay. So basically you can do one thing, 21 times 10, that is 210. Then 21 times 2, that is 42. So if you add them, you are going to get 252. So absolutely correct. Moyok, you are correct. Okay. And other two members, you are also correct. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So let's have the next question. Here we have many questions. Again, we have the 4 questions. Okay. So start solving and let me know once you have the answer in the chat box. I'm going to check. Like you see, I am checking in the chat box. Okay. But it is not possible for me to call out everybody's name and everybody's answer. Okay. So I am selecting randomly any people and I am analyzing their answers. Okay. So I'm selecting Mahek. Can you please answer me the first question? Okay. Moti, can you please answer me this question? Moti Chaudhary. Okay. Arya, can you please answer me this question? Yes.
I think my answer is 2.
Okay, 2. Okay. Spandan, can you please answer me this first one?
Well, I got a -2.
Okay. I am just collecting the answers. Okay. Pinaki, can you please tell me the answer of this question?
-2.
Okay, so I got two answers with the -2. Let me select one more name. Swetha, can you please tell me the answer of this? Okay. Tulsi, can you please answer me? This one?
The first one.
Yes, first one.
-2 as well.
Okay, so majority with the -2. So let's check. Okay, -6. First, we are going to solve the brackets, right? But here in this bracket, nothing to solve. There is just one number. Okay, so let's do this. -6 plus 10. That is what? That is clearly +4, right? And then dividing by -2. So as you know, whenever you are dividing, if any number have the different sign, like both the numbers have the different sign, so your answer is going to be negative. And 4 divided by 2, that is 2. But the sign will be negative, right? As per the rule. So -2 is the correct answer. Okay, very good, everyone. Okay, so let's do the second question. And Samitha, can you please tell me answer of this question second?
I'm so sorry, I didn't answer it yet.
Okay, no problem. So Victoria, can you please answer me the second question?
62.
Fine. So no problem. Up to this.
Sorry,
Yes.
sorry, Master. This is Shweta Sudhakar's dad. I think the screen is frozen. She's saying that screen keep freezing. So I'm just trying to fix her screen.
Okay, no problem, sir. Okay. So this question are difficult, looks difficult, right? So it's better if I will solve, right? So everybody will get to learn from this. Okay. So I am solving the question number 2. Okay. Yeah. Now please understand. Okay. This question number 2 is what basically you have the -4 times 2 you are doing, right?
So,
Can
Okay.
I answer this question?
so can I answer?
Okay, wait. One by one, I'm selecting. Okay. Who wants to answer this question?
I want to
So,
answer
please,
this
no.
question.
Okay. Yes. Answer anyone.
-62.
-62. Okay.
62. -62. -62.
Okay.
-62.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Minus
Please,
62.
please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. If you want to learn, stay as per the rule, okay? Because otherwise you will not get learning, right? So nothing is to worry. -4 times 2, that is what is going to happen of this bracket. First of all, this bracket is going to be -8, okay? Now in this bracket, what is going to happen? 6 times 9, that is also 54, okay? Now if you are adding two negative numbers, then your answer is going to be negative. And 54 and 8 will be 62, but it's -62. So -62, that is absolutely correct. Very well. Let's have the next question. And Goktug, yes, please answer this question. The C part, okay? Question C.
14.
Okay, so okay, 14. So Cindy, are you agree with this? 14. What is your answer, Cindy? Okay, Chloe, what is your answer? What is your answer, Chloe Burman? Okay, it's fine. Now I'm doing this one, okay? As we know, this all looks like in the bracket, right? But it's fine. After this, they all have the one number. So no need to do any simplification into it. As per the BIDMAS, what you are going to do first, multiplication. And whenever you are multiplying two negative numbers, same multiplication, you are going to get the positive sign, right? Multiplying 6 with multiplying 3, and they both are the negative, it means you are going to get the positive answer, that is the +18, okay? And then plus and then -4, like this you have, it means what it is? 18 minus 4, it means this is just +18 minus 4, it means you have the +14 as an answer, okay? Okay, so let's have the last question, and that is I am solving. Okay, so okay, who wants to solve? Okay, I'm selecting the people. Okay, who wants to solve this question? Okay, I'm selecting. Okay, just give me 1 sec so I can select very well. And the name I'm looking for, never told by me. So, Ria, can you please answer me this question? Last one. Okay, Samaira, can you please answer me the last question?
Is D 16?
Okay, so you have the answer as a 16, right, for D? Okay, let's ask someone else as well. Sahas, what is your answer? Okay, Selva Kumar, what is your answer? Okay, Vivan, what is your answer? Okay, Ebshira, what is your answer? Ebshira.
16.
Okay, so most of the people are saying 16, so let's figure it out, this one. 8 times minus 2, that is clearly minus 16, right? Whenever you are multiplying two opposite numbers, like opposite means they are different sign, okay? So you are going to get minus number, okay? Now minus, this is also opposite, so it means what you are going to get minus 32. And as I told you, if inside and outside the bracket you have the minus sign, then that is going to be plus. So minus 16 plus 32, it means it's 16. Okay, so 16 is the correct answer, and very good everyone whoever told me this answer. Okay, so yes, well and good. Okay, so this is just okay, wait. Okay, so this is already we have talked. Okay, nothing is to worry. Let's talk about this page. Okay, we have 4 questions. Okay, and here you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, dash times 5 equals to minus 20. So what should be that number? Yes. I need answers in the chat box. You can solve A, B, C, D, all 4. Okay. You have 1 minute to solve, or you can take 2 minutes. Okay. Yes. Solve this and let me know what you are getting. Okay. So this easy. This one, Tina, can you please answer me the first question? What number I can multiply with 5 to get the minus 20?
Minus 4.
Yes, minus 4. That is absolutely correct. Excellent, Tina. Uh, okay. Now I am selecting the next question. And who is going to answer me this? Anya, can you please tell me this one? Minus 80 divided by what to get 4?
Yeah.
Is the answer 20?
Minus 4 is the first one.
Okay, so if you are dividing by 20, then that is what? Minus 80 divided by 20. So you are going to get minus 4, okay? Not the 4.
Or is the answer minus 20?
Yes, minus 20 is the correct answer.
Minus 8.
Yusuf, can you please answer me the C?
The third one.
Yes.
Okay. Minus 8 multiplied by what is equal to 48?
Yes.
Minus 6.
Yeah, so it should be the minus 6. Okay, now the next question, you can mute yourself. Alia, can you please answer me this question D? Yusuf, please mute. Yes, thank you. Alia? Okay. Amina, can you please answer this question D?
Minus 4.
Yes, that is absolutely correct. This is minus 4. Correct. Okay, so this we are starting the section 3 and this is the quiz time. Okay, so whatever we learned, we are going to check. Okay, so everybody is going to solve and everybody will see how they're performing. Okay, so let's have this answer of this questions. Okay, yeah, you can solve by yourself and then I am telling you what are the correct answers. Okay, please solve this. You have the 1 minute. Okay, solve this and you can send into the chat box as well. Okay, so then I am going to tell you, are you correct or not?
I've got a question.
Yes, tell me.
Do you have to write our answers in the chat box, or can we write it down in our notebooks?
Yes, you can write down on your notebook as well. There is no problem. So at the last, when I'm solving on my screen, you can complete. Okay, no problem.
Okay,
That's
so
also
I'm
fine.
ready.
Yes, that's also fine.
For number B,
Hmm.
how do we know they're separate or not? Like minus 11 and minus 12. What's the equation here?
Okay,
It's saying
so
there's two negative numbers, so
yeah, 2 negative numbers are there, right? So minus 11, and from minus 11, you are subtracting another 12. Okay, so you are doing subtraction, right?
-6, 1.
Okay, now I am start solving. Okay, these are very easy questions. So I am start solving and you can verify your answers are correct or not. Okay, so 10 minus 16, this is clearly what? This number is the smaller and this number is the bigger. So the difference will be the 6 and the bigger number, the sign is the negative. So minus 6 will be the correct answer. Okay. Now the next number you have minus 11 and again you are subtracting from that. Then what is going to happen? This is going to be minus 23. Okay. Yeah. Now the next one, if you have the minus 3 plus minus 11 you are doing, so this is the same as the above. Okay, these two are the same, like minus 3 minus 11 you are doing, it means minus 14. Okay, now next and last question of this page is minus outside and inside the bracket, it means you are going to do like this, right? So your answer is minus 4. Yeah, getting everyone this question? Okay, very
I have
good.
a question.
Yes, ask me. Which question? Mhm.
So minus 11, if we subtract 12 from... Oh yeah, no, I don't
Yeah,
have the...
you have the minus 11 balance. Okay, for example, you have the minus 11 and someone is still asking 12 from you, then you are going to more, you are going in more minus sign, right? More negative. Okay, so let's have the next question. This is about multiplication and division. Okay, everyone, please try to solve these questions. You have 1 minute to solve this. Once you solve this, let me know. Okay, so I am solving this one. Okay, easy. 17 times 3, so that is 51. But because of this minus sign, it will be minus. Okay. Now the same like same sign number, if I'm going to multiply, I am going to get the positive answer. 2 times 12, that is 24. Now this one, the last, like second last, 189 divided by 9. Okay. So if you do so, your answer is the negative because one is the positive and one is the negative. So answer is the negative. Now what is going to happen? 9 times 2, 18, 9 times 1. You can use the short division or long division for it. Your answer is minus 21. Okay. Here two negative numbers you are dividing. It means your answer is the positive because same number division or same number multiplication, you are going to get the positive answer. So 200 divided by 5, what will be the answer for this? 40. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. Okay. So that's, let's have, this is the last thing. Okay. Last question. And then we are going to revising the section. Okay. So now we are going to use the BIDMAS. Okay. So you have 1 minute to solve. And then I am starting solution. Okay. All of this question. Start solving, everyone. Okay, so now I am continuing. Here what we have 13 times 2 and minus 50, right? So as per the BIDMAS, I can see there is no bracket, there is no indices, there is no division. So what is there? Multiplication. Okay, so multiply first. This operation we are going to do the first. So that is why it is 26. 13 times 2, it means 26 minus 50, okay? So if you subtract 26 minus 50, then your answer is going to be minus 24, okay? Because you are subtracting 50 from the smaller number, right? So the answer is the negative. Fine. Now the next one is what? Question number 2. Here you have to solve the bracket, okay? First you need to solve the bracket, and 25 times 2, that is nothing but 50. So 100 divided by 50. And that is how much? Clearly this is 2. So answer is 2. Now let's talk about the next question. So this is clearly what it is, 120 divided by 6. So as per the BIDMAS, you have to first divide. So 120 divided by 6, that is how much? This is just a 20, right? So you are going to solve first that, and according to that, you have the 20 first, and then times in 2. So it means this is the 40, okay? And let's talk about the last. First, you are going to solve this bracket. So minus 12 plus 9. That is how much? This is just minus 3. Okay. Now 12 dividing by minus 3. If you are doing, then your answer is going to be minus 4. Okay. Okay. So very good, everyone who ever getting this answers. Okay. Perfect. So let's learn what are the key points of this session. Okay. So today we learned a lot things about the integer operations and the BIDMAS, right? So first thing, about the integer is what it can be positive, negative, or zero. Okay, and it should be whole number, right? Yes. And the next one is while adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing, integer always use the sign rule. Okay. So whatever we have seen into the table, that is the sign rule. Okay. And this is again division of the BIDMAS. BIDMAS stands for bracket, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and the subtraction. Okay. Now we have the recap, and the recap is just one thing we have what we have seen today. And first of all, we have seen the integer operations mainly. Okay. In that operation, you have seen plus, how to do minus, how to do multiply, how to divide. Okay. And after that, we have seen what is the BIDMAS. Okay. And you know, B stands for brackets. Okay. I stands for powers, like this, indices, square and square root. This is divide. This is multiplication, and this is the addition, and the last one is the subtraction. Okay, all things we learned together here, these things. Okay, so so let's have the last page, and that is the thank you everyone. Okay,
Sir,
yes, tell me.
I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
What are indices again?
Okay, indices, it means I can show you. Okay, for example, 2 is the number. Okay, so whatever will be here, let's say nothing is written, it means 1 is there. Okay, so squares, cubes, all these are indices. Okay, you can say square root. Okay, you can say cube roots. Okay, like this square root, and all these are the indices. Okay, fine. Yeah, square root, square, cube, and cube roots are the indices. Okay, and that is in the syllabus only. Like squares and the cubes are in the syllabus, square root and cube roots are not in the syllabus. So nothing is to worry. Just keep in mind squares and the cubes are the indices. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day, everyone. And happy Christmas to everyone.
Bye. 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 Merry
Everyone.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Happy
Christmas.
Happy Christmas to everyone. Bye.
Merry
Okay.
Christmas.
Yes, thank you. Same to you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. So
Merry Christmas.